How to log in into Paramount Plus account. In this video, I will show you how can you easily log in into Paramount Plus account online. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly go to Google application in your device. Then after navigate to search bar and there you need to type Paramount Plus. Then after click on the first website as that is the official website of Paramount Plus. Once you do so, you will be directed to the home page of Paramount Plus. Now as you can see there's the option to share your email to stay up to date on Paramount Plus news. So simply click on enter email and type your email. Then after click on submit and now you need to confirm your identification through these puzzles and then you are good to go. So that's it. That is how easily you can sign in into your Paramount Plus account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.